Cinema 4D versus Maya versus Blender. Best 3D software. If you're looking to get into 3D modeling, animation, or visual effects, choosing the right software can make all the difference. Cinema 4D, Maya, and Blender are three of the most popular 3D tools available, each with distinct strengths. Cinema 4D is known for its intuitive workflow and motion graphics capabilities. Maya excels in professional animation, rigging, and VFX, while Blender offers powerful features for free, making it a favorite among independent creators. This comparison breaks down which software is best for your 3D projects. Cinema 4D is widely appreciated for its user-friendly interface and speed, making it particularly strong in motion graphics, animation, and rendering. It's often the go-to choice for designers who want fast results with minimal frustration. Why users like it: clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly interface, strong motion graphics and animation tools, excellent rendering capabilities with built-in engines, fast workflow with easy modeling, texturing, and animation, robust plugin ecosystem for additional functionality. Cinema 4D is ideal for artists and designers who want to focus on motion graphics and fast-paced projects without a steep learning curve. Best for motion graphics artists, beginners, and designers who need a fast, intuitive 3D workflow. Maya is the industry standard for professional 3D animation, rigging, and VFX, widely used in studios for movies, TV, and games. It's powerful, but it comes with a steeper learning curve and requires more system resources. Why users like it: exceptional animation and rigging tools, industry standard for VFX and high-end production, advanced modeling, simulation, and rendering capabilities. Highly customizable with scripts and plugins, supports collaborative workflows in studios. Maya is perfect for those aiming for professional film, game, or VFX production, where precision, control, and advanced tools are critical. Best for professional animators, VFX artists, and studios producing high-quality 3D content. Blender is a free and open-source 3D software that rivals paid alternatives with a complete suite of modeling, animation, sculpting, and rendering tools. It's popular among independent artists, hobbyists, and even small studios. Why users like it: completely free with powerful features, all-in-one tool, modeling, animation, sculpting, simulation, and compositing, large community and tutorials for learning, frequent updates and new features, flexible for both hobbyists and professional projects. Blender is the ideal choice if you want robust 3D capabilities without paying a dime, with plenty of learning resources and community support. Best for beginners, indie creators, hobbyists, and anyone seeking a free but professional 3D tool. Feature comparison: Cinema, 4D, Maya, and Blender each serve different audiences. Cinema 4D is ideal for designers who want a fast, intuitive workflow, especially for motion graphics. Maya is the go-to for professionals who need top-tier animation, rigging, and VFX tools for studio-quality production. Blender offers a complete 3D suite for free, making it perfect for indie creators, hobbyists, and anyone wanting powerful capabilities without a subscription. In short, Cinema 4D, sheer ease and speed; Maya, sheer professional animation and VFX; Blender, sheer free, powerful, and versatile. Final thoughts: if your focus is motion graphics or fast 3D workflows, Cinema 4D is the best fit. For high-end animation, rigging, and VFX in professional studios, Maya is unmatched. And if you want a powerful, free 3D solution with endless possibilities, Blender is the perfect choice. Your decision depends on whether you value ease of use, professional-grade tools, or free versatility.